Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your flying weather outlook for the weekend and week ahead, brought to you exclusively by Flyer and Weather School. Now, just an urgent message first of all for those of you looking for those last minute gift ideas. We're coming up to the last postage day for Christmas, which I think is actually on a Friday. So if you want to get my Pocket Weather Forecaster book or my Weatherwise DVD, which is on offer at the moment, get to weatherschool.co.uk and get those orders now. We can get those in the post for you to guarantee delivery for Christmas. The book is 84 pages. It's a coffee table book, and it's for those who have got an interest in weather. So it's not just pilots, it's anybody who's interested in weather. And then Weatherwise goes into more detail, little 5-minute section videos describing weather events and how you can best use them. So both of those are available for you now, but you need to get in quick because we need to get those Christmas orders out. And as if that weren't enough, don't forget my Aviation Weather School Part 1, which is my online course, will take place on the consecutive Tuesday evenings of the 31st of January and the 7th of February next year, between 6:30 p.m. and 9 p.m. So I think we've got a couple of places left on that. So if you'd like to book that for yourself, then do so now. Again, makes a perfect Christmas present. Again, go to weatherschool.co.uk to book your place on that one. Okay, so this is how things shape up going through the weekend and next week. And first up, a caveat across this one. It is going to be very messy how the weather develops over the next few days, because we're seeing a change from the Arctic conditions that we've had now for the last couple of weeks towards more mild Atlantic conditions, and the transition between those two is always very messy. So there's lots of detail going on across the country. We can only skim the surface here, but I'll be updating every single day across at weatherweb.net. And you can become a premium member there now as well. And effectively what you get is these videos updated, similar to these videos, updated every single day in what we call the fast forecast. You get my 2-week planner, you get the look aheads as well, and you get access to all of these aviation charts too. And there's an offer on there as well just at the moment. But like I say, very messy situation. And just watch the forecast very carefully if you're planning on flying through the weekend. Basically what I think is happening is we'll get freezing fog patches again Friday morning. We've got low cloud and drizzle coming through Saturday. We've got showery rain then in the north through Saturday and Sunday, before more persistent rain comes in on Sunday, preceded by snow, and it becomes windier as well. And actually next week, not looking bad at the moment for flying, but again, the devil is going to be in the detail. So this is the way that things shape up for Thursday. Low pressure off towards the east. We've got some wintry showers down these eastern coasts. 1 or 2 wintry showers as well across western Wales and more across northwest Scotland. For most areas, though, this afternoon is going to be cold, but it is going to be flyable. Just remember those low freezing levels. For Friday morning, freezing fog patches across many central parts of England, also northern England and Wales. Now, at the same time, we'll have some low cloud and perhaps, a little bit of drizzle, perhaps northwestern parts of England, northwest and western parts of Wales, but this is one of the uncertainties in the forecast. A front coming down through Scotland, bringing some rain in the far northwest, so generally non-verifiable here because of that. Sorry, I said rain, I mean snow here. Elsewhere, freezing fog patches slowly clearing, so going marginal to VFR, particularly across central and eastern areas. Difficult to put bases on these, probably 5,000 feet if the fog clears, 7,000 foot tops. Northwestern Scotland, 1,000 foot bases, 12,000 feet tops. On to, and again, it's local flying really, Saturday, winds turning round to the south or southwest. Now, what this does is it's bringing in milder air, which rises above the cold air that we've got across the country at the moment. And this brings low cloud and drizzle, I fancy, across many southern parts of Ireland, western and southern Wales, southwest and southern parts of England. So, again, I put a big caveat over this, but I'm going to go generally non-VFR because I think that bases are coming in at less than 1,000 feet. Tops probably at around 12,000 feet, but that will be broken. So there'll be several layers of cloud there. A front coming into northwestern Scotland, bringing outbreaks of rain here and generally non-VFRable conditions. Bases 1,000 feet, tops about 12 to 15,000 feet. Further east, may start okay, but we just need to watch for mist and fog trying to develop as that milder air in the west gets in. Now, on to Sunday. And for Sunday, fronts coming in from the west during the course of Sunday, bringing cloud, bringing rain, bringing a period of snow and strong winds. So I'm going to say generally non-VFRable for most of us during Sunday. Bases 1,000 to 3,000 feet, tops around 12 to 18,000 feet as those various fronts move through. Central and northern Scotland, here marginal to VFR, increasing amounts of cloud, bases 3,000 feet, tops 10,000 feet. So this is the milder air coming in then, and I think through the course of Monday that milder air is with us. It's a windy day. The flow from the southwest, we're going to see rain across many southern and southeastern parts of the country, becoming non-VFRable, 1,000-foot bases, 15,000-foot tops. Big area of rain across Ireland, across Scotland, some pretty hefty bursts of rain here, non-VFRable overall, 1,000 to 2,000-foot bases, again 15 to 20,000 foot tops and some pretty heavy rain. You might just get marginal conditions, northeastern parts of England, perhaps briefly through the Midlands, but even here we're going to be finding outbreaks of rain. But as I say, just watch the forecast very carefully because things could change. And then getting into Tuesday, fronts clearing off towards the east on Tuesday, taking some rain through East Anglia. Low pressure brings some cloud and some outbreaks of showery rain through central and western parts of Scotland, non-VFRable here. Some showers getting into southwestern parts of England, marginal to non-VFRable here. Watch for cunims as that comes in. Elsewhere, probably becomes more flyable, 3,000 foot bases, 12,000 foot tops. And then for Wednesday, the low pressure stays with us on Wednesday. We still have rain affecting western parts of Scotland and western parts of Ireland, perhaps windy here. Some showers across southwest Wales and southern parts of England, but better the further east you go. But again, I'd stress the uncertainty over the detail here. So apologies for that being such a messy forecast, but keep a very careful eye on things if you're planning to fly through this weekend and into next week. There will be some windows. It's just spotting them, I think, we're not really going to be doing until sort of 12 to 24 hours before. Okay, I will leave you with that for now. Don't forget the last postage date for the Pocket Weather Forecaster book and my Weatherwise DVD. You can order those at weatherschool.co.uk now, and also get booked onto my next Aviation Weather School, which is my online evening course. Again, do it at weatherschool.co.uk. So apologies for the longer forecast than usual, but so much information to get in there for this weekend. Have a great weekend, whatever you're doing. Thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.